Scanos Fuego, this is Arnold Greene, land-based helper with Anguria da Gainha. And today, on this little segment, we're going to go over how to tie a Rapala knot to a snap. In the last video we did, we showed you how to set up the spool, how to spool a line. And if you just look real close, it's just inside that lip. And that's pretty ideal what you want right there. So now we're going to set up this snap, because if you're changing lures, you don't want to keep tying knots over and over and over. Some people do, but I don't like to. So first you take your free end and take it through the eye of the snap. Draw some line through to give yourself some slack, and then wrap it around and go exactly through the same way you just went through. Make sure everything's freed up here. Now you're going to hold on to your loop with one of your fingers. Then you're going to hold your snap as well. A little bit of a hard time. There we go. Now you're going to start wrapping your free end around your main line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can go more, you can go less, it's up to you. Now, the reason why you're holding on to this loop, you're going to take that free end and go through that loop. Now you're going to hold the free end and your snap and start pulling. Give it a little something to slide on, because what I talked about earlier, that monofilament has a memory. If I do this right, we won't see it, but if I didn't put enough on it or early enough, it'll like to get all squiggly. But now, it looks pretty good. Tug on it just a tad, push it up with your nail, and now we have a pretty well uniformed knot. Take your knife or a pair of pliers or scissors and cut, just leave it just a little bit, just in case something decides to slip just a tad. Just leave yourself just a tad. And then there you go. And the reason we use these is you just open this up, put your lure on, close it back up. It's nice and secure, and it saves time changing lures. All right, now